ท่านนี้นะคะดำรงตำแหน่ง Executive Brand Director Jumpstart Winner 20 บวกและสมาชิก 20 ล้านบาทไปพบกับเขากันเลยค่ะ
Hi everyone, สวัสดีค่ะ Xin chào and apa kabar. My name is Miu and I'm from BG Malaysia and I'm really happy to be here with you today at BG Summit. Are you having fun yet? I'm sure you're watching from the comfort of your home and we're really lucky to be connected globally through our BG family and on this platform. Today, I'm going to share a little bit more about Nu Skin, our products, and the amazing technology driving our company. Before I started Nu Skin, I was a graphic designer by profession, and after I graduated at a very young age, I was like, I wanted to start a business, but I didn't know what kind of business to do. I was really lucky at that time to meet my mentor, John and Noon, who actually guided me to start my business. And I was the type of person who didn't know anything about skincare. I didn't know anything about supplementation. I was still very young. I thought, okay, I don't need vitamins. But as I grow and learn about this business, I realized that we have amazing products that we want to share with as many people as we can. So one of the things that attracted me to Nu Skin is the company's philosophy, all of the good, none of the bad. This means that every single product that Nu Skin comes up with, the Nu Skin produces, you know that it's safe and it's effective and we can share with people with a lot of belief and conviction. So what are the type of products that we have in Nu Skin? First of all, we have Nu Skin division, which is skincare and products from head to toe for your hair, your face, and your body. The second division is what we call Pharmanex, which deals with vitamins, supplementation, for targeted health and general well-being. But not just that, what makes Nu Skin very special is that we have a lot of beauty devices that you can use at the comfort of your home. And Pharmanex goes through a very stringent process called the 6S quality process, which ensures that the products are safe and standardized for our consumption. What's exciting about Nu Skin right now is we have the Age-Lock technology. Have you heard of Age-Lock before? Basically, Age-Lock is a technology that is able to target and identify the sources of aging. Because of that, we are able to reset our gene expression and therefore coming up with products that are more effective and taking a shorter period of time. So who are our target groups? I would say everybody. Why? Because anti-aging is no longer about the baby boomers who want to look young and feel young. The younger generation also want to take care of their health, they want to stay young, and they want to age gracefully. How did my life change with Nu Skin? As you can see from my before picture, I used to have a lot of pimples and a lot of acne problems. But after using the product for just 1, 2, 3 months, I started to see improvement. And not only that, my whole family and people around me also benefited from the products. I love to share this picture about my grandma. She is 92 years old and she's been consuming Pharmanex products for over 15 years. She still looks very young, but most important, she is very healthy. You can see this picture of her when she first broke her arm accidentally, and the doctor said that, hey, you have a broken arm, you're 80 plus years old, it's going to take you 6 to 8 months to heal. At that time, I gave her a lot of Nu Skin supplements like the Bone Formula, Life Pack, R-Square, Marine Omega, G3. And within 2 months, her bone has totally healed. And the doctor said, you don't have to come back anymore. So, when you go out there and share with people, share with full of conviction that the products are really amazing and the products can really transform people's lives. But the first you have to do is, of course, use the products yourself and experience it, and then it becomes easier to share from your heart. So not only the products has changed my life, but also the business. Because when I graduated at the age of 20, I couldn't see myself working for another 40 years. I wanted to start a business, but I didn't know what kind of business I could do. I didn't have any investment, I didn't have any friends or, connections or experience. But I was really lucky to have found my mentor, John and Noon, who guided through this business over the years, and right now I can build my team around the world, especially with this platform that we have. As you know, Nu Skin started in 1984, and so it's over 30 years old. You think that there's no more opportunity? That's not true. What is the future of Nu Skin? I would say the possibilities are endless. Not only the company is coming up with new devices and new innovation that you can use for your skin, it is also coming out with the latest technology for our supplementation and our health. It is even moving towards technology like bioadaptive skincare and even GrowViv. GrowViv is so new that I don't even know much about it, but it is the future of sustainable farming. And with that, Nu Skin is using it to produce our products. Even though you didn't start Nu Skin 30 years ago, don't worry, it's still the best timing now because we have already the foundation and we have the science and we have the technology. All you need to do is go out there and share with as many people as possible on the great and amazing Nu Skin products. So what are some of the devices that I was talking about? Ta-da! This is the LumiSpa. As you can see, this little device, all you need to do is use it for 2 minutes a day in the morning and in the evening to see amazing results. So not only Nu Skin come up with the device, it also comes with the best product that you can use together for optimal results. Because of that, our cleanser that comes with the Lumi is also a repeat order product that your customers will buy over and over again, and therefore sustaining your business as well. Another product that's creating waves right now is our Age Lock Boost. This product is so new that it's not even launched in some markets yet, but it's really, really amazing because in just 2 minutes a day, using it on your face, you will see amazing results. And even celebrities like Sammy Cheng, who is from Hong Kong, has shared this on her social media. So you can imagine the kind of story and the kind of excitement that is being generated from this little device. Yeah, and of course you use it with the serum. Again, you need to use it together for optimal results. And so because the boost is not available in every market yet, a lot of people are excited to be the first ones to get their hands on it. With this little device, you can actually build your team and create that excitement and what we call the opportunity renewal. Maybe 6 months ago when you approach your customer, they were not interested. Hey, Nu Skin came out with the latest product called the Age Lock Boost, and then you can share with them about the product, and that might entice them or get them excited all over again. And this is really the beauty about Nu Skin opportunity. The company is always innovating and always creating new products and new opportunity for you that it is never slowing down. I have friends that I've never met since high school, and when I posted about the boost on my social media, they actually messaged me, hey, what's this little device? I'm looking for something that I can use at home and it's simple to use, and straight away they want to buy the product. Number one, they know that Nu Skin is established and Nu Skin come up with the best products, and we can actually just purchase the product online and have it shipped to them. It's that simple. You can not only sell this in your country, but if you have friends or family in around the world, when Nu Skin have an office, you can actually help them to place an order and have the product shipped to them and make commissions from the comfort of your home. So right now, for me, the best two products to share with people out there is the LumiSpa and the Boost. Especially with COVID, a lot of people are afraid to go out to do a facial or get some kind of treatment. But imagine if they just buy this product and they can use it at the comfort of your home and still get amazing results in a shorter period of time. Why not? And because of that, people are falling in love with Nu Skin and our products. And all you need to do is keep sharing with people about the amazing products that Nu Skin have, and also share with them the opportunity. You don't know, I have a lot of customers who turn into my business builders because they love the product so much and they just want to share with more people. And if they can, make some money while using great products, why not? Do not underestimate the power of amazing products. Because Nu Skin products are so amazing, people come back over and over again, and people, when they have great results, they are willing to share with their family and friends and maybe start a business that way. So I've come to the end of my learn something about our products and is excited about the future of Nu Skin. Guys, this is really the best time to stay focused on your business with the best company, with the best timing, with the best product, and of course, with the best team to support you to grow your business, not just in your market, but globally. Okay, I wish you all the best. And before I end,